Let's make the easiest CO2 generator. For this project, we will need aquarium-safe silicone, an aquarium atomizer, a 1-liter soda bottle, and around 2 meters of airline tubing. Using a drill bit with a slightly smaller diameter than the airline tube, we will drill a hole in the bottle top. A flame will help remove any burrs and create a smooth, uniform surface for our airline to adhere to. Apply silicone to the join between the airline tube and the underside of the bottle top, being careful to avoid the thread of the top. Now pull the airline back through the top around 5 millimeters. This will ensure good adhesion. It's important your airline has a tight fit to the atomizer. Using heat in this way will temporarily soften the airline to allow you to apply it to the atomizer. Now, it's time to create some magic. We want our soda bottle filled around halfway with regular tap water, a cup or half a mug of sugar, and half a sachet of baker's yeast. Give the whole mix a good shake for around 20 seconds, ensuring the yeast is well saturated. Leave the whole setup for around 12 hours. This will ensure your aquarium silicone has cured and your yeast is well established and producing lots of CO2, ready for your aquarium plants. I will leave a link to this atomizer in the video description. If you found this video useful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing. It's free, but helps me more than you know. Happy DIYing! See you in the next one.